That's why Jesus Christ asked that question there. You see, what you got to do for a few minutes now is forget me. Don't even pay any attention to me up here. What you got to do in your mind for just a little bit is pretend that Jesus Christ showed up today. He's the one asked the question. So just in your mind, just try to picture Jesus Christ here today, and it's just you and Him. And He's asking you that question. For what shall it profit a man if he shall gain the whole world and lose his own soul? I want you to notice a few things about this. I want you to notice, number one, the gain that is supposed. The gain that is supposed. You know, it would be the greatest gain. Can you imagine? To obtain the whole world. The whole world. I mean, some people, you know what? I guarantee you, these people won the lottery, and this thing would be hundreds of millions of dollars that they won. Man, I bet you they, in their mind, man, they think, man, we've won the world. And here's the thing, don't get me wrong. Material wealth is okay. I'm not downplaying. I hope God bless you with a lot of stuff. But here's the thing, as long as you know its limitations.
That's right.
Because you see, money can buy you a bed, but it can't buy you sleep.
That's right.
Money can buy you books, but it can't buy you brains. Money can buy you food, but it can't buy you an appetite. Money can buy you a house, but it can't buy you a home. Money can buy you medicine, but it can't buy you health. Money can buy you sinful pleasures, but you'll never ever be able to purchase salvation's peace. And here the Lord Jesus Christ is talking about, I'm just telling you, the greatest possible gain. The whole world. I noticed as I was reading this that this is an improbable gain. Because notice what he says. For what shall it profit a man if...
Subscribe and click the notification bell. You'll have superpowers for the rest of your life. So what are you waiting for? Time to fly.